Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all? Today we are going to make basala curry. One fresh coconut. I do not have fresh coconut, so I used dry coconut powder. 5 to 6 red chilies. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. Quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Grind all the ingredients. You can also use mixer grinder instead of wet grinder. Take 1 kg spinach. Separate the stems and leaves. Wash thoroughly. Chop the leaves and stem. The leaves are chopped. Now let's chop the stem. The stem is chopped. Add salt to the spinach and add water. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. Let's check the masala to see if any water is needed. I needed some water, so I put water. Take one papaya, peel and cut it into pieces. Chop one onion and one tomato. Take half cup dal, wash. Now transfer all the ingredients in a pressure cooker. Drain the water and wash again. Add 2 spoons dry tuna fish. If you don't like tuna fish, then you can skip or you can add prawns. Add salt, 1 glass water. Cover the lid and cook for 3 whistles. The vegetables are cooked now. Add garlic at the end and switch off the grinder. The masala is done now. Let's transfer into the cooked vegetables. Turn on the flame and let it boil.
It's ready now.
Try this recipe and comment me below. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to get notified whenever I upload. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Till then, bye.